informal definition of the superposition theorem states that the circuit with X amount of voltage and current sources is equal to the sum of simplified circuits using just one of the sources. Just to put this in a bit of a visualization, here we can see a voltage source on the left with the redstone block, and on the right a current source with the redstone torch. When we wish to create the multiple simplified circuits, all we have to do is either short circuit the voltage source or make the current source an open circuit. When diagramming a circuit, this is what the short circuit looks like and this is what the open circuit looks like. Okay, so to just provide an example of this, we're going to do this problem and we're going to try and find I2. Okay, so this is one of our simplified circuits where the current source was created to be an open circuit. So essentially we've got a series circuit here now. First things first, we have to find the total resistance, which is just R1 plus R2, which equals 18 ohms. Then we're going to label I2 as I2 prime, as this is the first I2 that we're going to find, and we're going to combine them later. And it is important to note that this is the way that the current is flowing. So I2 prime is simply just E on RT, which is 36 on 18, which is 2 amps. So here we have our other simplified circuit where the voltage source was short-circuited and we just have our current source going. So first off, we're just going to quickly define which way the current is actually flowing, and if you'll notice, I double prime 2 is actually flowing in the same direction as I prime 2. So that is convenient. That means we'll add them together, not subtract. The next step is we're going to use the current divider rule. So we're going to get a ratio from R2 to RT, which is 6 on 18, so a third. So therefore the R2 is going to take 2/3 of I. So I double prime 2 is 2/3 of 9 amps, which is 6 amps. And the very last part of this example is to just add together I prime 2 and I double prime 2 to get I2 as a total. So it's just 2 amps plus 6 amps, which equals 8 amps. Because they're both in the same direction, so you just have to add them together. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you understood the video on superposition theorem. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment.